ocean's melody wash over me. In the morning I let it warm my bones, and I let it take me wherever it wants to go.